learn how to upcycle your denim jacket by adding contrasting fabric as an accent. Choose your favorite contrasting fabric and play with the placement for a fun effect. Visit our website to download a free instructional PDF. The link is in the caption. To start this project, visualize the contrasting fabric placement by laying the jacket flat and drape the contrasting fabric on top of the area of the denim jacket to be covered. Trace the jacket seams onto the contrasting fabric with chalk. Cut the fabric on the chalk line. To create the cutouts, measure and mark half an inch away from the denim jacket seams inside of each panel. You will be sewing the contrasting fabric onto the extra seam allowance in the next steps. After marking, cut each section out along the chalk lines. Place the contrasting fabric inside the cut area of the denim jacket, with the cut edges of the contrasting fabric visible only on the inside of the jacket. Center and pin in place. Zigzag along the cut edge of the denim jacket using the same color thread as your jacket. Turn and trim the excess contrasting fabric to clean up your seams. The project is now completed. Enjoy your upcycled denim jacket. You can now mix and match many different fabrics while using this technique. Don't be afraid to be creative. Visit our website to download a free instructional PDF. Tag us at fabricland.canada when you share your creations on social media.